Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Hope everybody is having a very enjoyable Sunday. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. So this video is going to focus on finding equivalent fractions. So we have the fraction 2/3 here. We have to figure out what that equals in ninths. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. Let's get right into it. So this is very simple if you know your multiplication facts and if you can find the missing addends. If not, it's still solvable, but it's going to take a few extra steps. So 3 times something equals 9. I know what is multiplied by 3 to equal 9, but for those students that don't, makes it a little more challenging. But basically, whatever we multiply by 3 to get 9, we have to multiply the numerator by that same number, and we will have our equivalent fraction. Now, even though I know what is multiplied by 3 to get 9, I don't want to give it away, so I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. If you have not yet mastered your multiplication facts, or you don't know how to find missing addends, here's a way to do it. To find what you would need to multiply 3 by to get to 9, you simply do 9 divided by 3. After doing 9 divided by 3, you'll be able to find out what you need to multiply by 3 to get 9. So, here's a strategy for dividing if you're not yet fluent with your multiplication division facts. Make 9 tallies, put them in rows of 3, see how many rows of 3 you get. So I'm going to make 9 tallies now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I made 9 total tallies, and now I'm going to count up how many rows of 3 I have. 1, 2, 3. So I was able to get 3 groups of 3 within 9, so 3 times 3 is what equals 9. Let me make my 3 a little bit neater, because I want all of you students to make your 3s neater than that. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now, what we do to the denominator, we have to do to the numerator. So since we multiplied 3 times 3 to get 9, and the numerator is 2, we have to multiply 2 times 3 to figure out what the top number in the numerator would be and to find our equivalent fraction. So 2 times 3 would equal 6. So we now have our final answer. 2/3 would be equivalent to 6/9. All right, I'm going to do another one. One more problem, and then I will call it a day. My phone is close to out of battery, so if you see me off the live in a second, that's why. But I think I'll be able to get one more problem in. All right, what would 1/2 equal in eighths? So to find this out, to find this answer, we have to figure out how many times you have to multiply 2 to get to 8. If you know your multiplication facts, if you have them memorized, it makes it a lot easier. But if you don't, here's how you go about figuring that out. To find the missing addend here, you have to figure out how many groups of 2 would go into 8. So you would draw 8 tallies, and you would make them in rows of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have our 8 total tallies. And now I'm going to count the rows of 2. So that's 1 row of 2. That's 2 rows of 2. 3 rows of 2. 4 rows of 2. So 2 times 4 equals 8. And what we multiply the denominator by, we have to multiply the numerator by. So to figure out what the numerator would be in the equivalent fraction, we have to multiply 1 times 4. One times 4 equals 4. So we have our final answer, 1/2 equals 4/8. That is my video for today. Huge thank you to everybody that tuned in. Again, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if this video was helpful. And if there's an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Have a good evening, everybody.